Alright, so hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ketan, and in case if you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So today we are here at Pahine. It is the village situated, I guess, 6 kilometers away from Trimbakeshwar, and the waterfall over here is dope. I mean, चलो वीडियो में पता चल ही जाएगा, तब तक ये व्यू का मज़ा लो. Just ended up with 1 hour of trek and finally I found the waterfall. मैं कई बार रास्ते भटक गया and घूमा कर कैसे तो पता नहीं यहाँ पहुँच गया, and the view is just beautiful. देखो आप लोग. So this is the Pahine Waterfall, and it is one of those places which are least crowded. I mean today is Sunday and अब तक मैंने सिर्फ 10 से 15 लोग देखे यहाँ पर ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं होती, इसीलिए it is one of the best place to visit. After a good long hike, now I need a good food, so now I am here at Sadhana restaurant. तो अभी हम मिसल खाते हैं and then फिर निकलते हैं.